Hey guys, I'm Shadab from KarsiGeek, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your local host. As you can see, this website is installed on my localhost /WordPress. To install WordPress on your local host, we need two things. The first one is the WordPress file. Just go on Google and simply type WordPress download or download WordPress. Click on first link and download WordPress. At this time, the latest version of the WordPress is 5.4. The second thing is Xampp. To set up the servers, you need to install Xampp. Click on first link and download the Xampp. Once you have downloaded the Xampp, open the Xampp. Continue with installation, yes. Ignore any important warning. Next and install. Next. Close anything if opens. While the Xampp setup installs, let's download the WordPress file. Just simply go on Google and type WordPress download. Click on first link and click on download WordPress 5.4. So once you have downloaded and installed the Xampp, just open Xampp control panel and start the Apache and MySQL server. Just click on start on Apache and MySQL. When both the servers are services are start, go on your browser and type localhost. So we have installed Xampp on our localhost. So to install WordPress, we need to locate the WordPress file we have just downloaded and extract the zip file. And we have got a folder named WordPress. Just copy that folder and locate the installation of the Xampp and go to Xampp, go to htdocs and paste the WordPress folder. Paste the WordPress folder on htdocs folder. Now go on your browser, and before this, let's create a database. To create the database, click on phpMyAdmin on the right hand side and click on database and create a database name. And click on create. So you have successfully created the database. Now let's install the WordPress. Just simply go to localhost /WordPress. Select language, select your preferred language, and continue. Click on let's go and enter the database name we have just created, WordPress, and change the username to root, RWT root, and leave the password as blank and enter the table prefix, anything you want, wp/_WordPress, and click on run the installation. Now the site title and the username you want, and remember the password. Remember this password. Just copy this or remember this password or change this password and enter your email address. And you make sure you don't select this discourage search engine from indexing this site. This will not index your site on Google pages or any other search engines. Click on install WordPress. Successfully we have installed WordPress and created our site. Just click on login and enter the username just we have created, test, and paste the password and login. So we have successfully installed WordPress in our local host. You can play over here, create websites, amazing websites, and let me know if you have created any website on local host in the comment section below. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red shiny subscribe button and that bell icon too. And I will see you guys in the next video.